Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tech Solutions, and if you're excited to hear the news that Tesla got added to the S&P 500, I hope that we earn your thumbs up throughout this entire video. I want to kind of keep this video super short and sweet, and I wanted to highlight a couple of points that I thought would be useful for someone that wants to learn a little bit more about this S&P 500 edition and what company gets removed. So first off, this is supposed to take effect on Monday, December 21st, 2020, which is again a very important day. With that being said, if I'm not mistaken, according to the articles that I've read, there has not been a company as of now that has been announced that will be removed for Tesla to be added to the S&P 500 list. This is super important as now Tesla is the 10th most valuable company according to Monday's close price in the S&P 500, which is huge, right? And if I'm not mistaken, it's the largest one with the largest market cap valuation that has ever been added at the time of its addition. One of the things that we should all kind of be very well aware of is that this has been, common talk of Tesla being added to the S&P 500 list from, August to September, and they didn't originally pick Tesla. If anything, I remember Tesla actually pulling back because it was not one that they actually wanted to take into consideration. Although they did take it into consideration, it was not one that they planned to add, and when that news was announced, we saw that initial pullback. Now, one of the great things about its performance today is that, well, let's be honest, if we go to the 1 day, 1 minute chart, it really didn't do much today. It really just showed a lot of signs of consolidation. I had an open position. I had 140 shares, and we were actually having a very early dinner with our team, and Ismail, who a lot of you guys might know, came out with the news of like, hey, Tesla just got added to the S&P 500 list. I go and I check my open position, and it shows that I'm up over, at that point, I was up over like $5,500 or something like that. It's gone up since then, and I've sold a portion of my position size. And this is something that I wanted to share with you guys. And as you guys can see right here, I wanted to show that I ended up reducing a couple of my shares. And if I'm not mistaken, this was actually during the Learn Plan Profit live trading session. It looked a little bit more on the overbought side based off of previous highs. So I decided to sell off 20 shares at 409, and then you guys could see that a little bit later is when I decided to sell an additional 70 and an additional 20, leaving me with a total of 50 shares. Why is it that I did this? Is this something that I would encourage for everyone? Do I think that everyone, that partook in Tesla should sell their positions? Of course not. If anything, this is in the very early stages of what we hope to see Tesla continue to indicate signs of an uptrend. But things have been so uncertain when it comes down to not only Tesla stock, but the entire EV industry, as well as with a lot of tech-focused stocks. And it's been super choppy, super inconsistent, especially with all this crazy news going on with the presidential election and, of course, the second stimulus check. I think it's absolutely amazing that Tesla is up, if I'm not mistaken, about 10% since where it closed at to where it's at right now. And the exciting part about that is that I'm all for it, right? I made a decent amount. I wanted to do my part in locking in profits. I had 140 shares by the time the market closed, and I wanted to reduce my position size because why? Well, it pushed up so much that if the hype is not there, which I do think it's going to be there, but I just wanted to do my part. I don't know if you've ever been put in a position very similar to this. I know that when it comes down to the idea of a company being added to the S&P 500, we can see continuous days of, as a series of fund managers begin to invest in Tesla, that will only increase the overall demand of Tesla stock and potentially offer that continuous uptrend. With that being said, I was up a certain dollar amount that I felt comfortable that, I wanted to reduce my position size. I wanted to lock in some profits and keep some money in my pocket with still the idea of having enough skin in the game that if it continues to run, then at least I can partake in that action as well. Looking at previous, again, patterns, you guys can see that Tesla has a very common resistance level right around this kind of like 460, 457 general area. As you guys can see right on over here, it's been getting rejected, it's been getting rejected, it's been getting rejected. It got rejected last time, and now with this amazing push up, I just wanted to do my part, in locking in profits that just in case we do experience a pullback, then guess what? I have enough buying power that I can buy a little bit more. If it continues to indicate signs of an uptrend, I'm all for maybe potentially day trading with a difference of where I can buy an additional, 90 shares. But until then, I'm very comfortable with now my position size. I locked in enough profit that I feel, I have some cushion in the game, and I'm excited to follow up with it and leading up to December 21st and kind of see where it goes. I hope that Tesla continues to indicate signs of an uptrend as I still have an open position and it's in the very early stages of, leading up to its big day. But as of right now, I just wanted to do my part in locking in profits. So I wanted to share my plan with you guys. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think and what you guys plan to do. If you were in my position and you had an open position at about $60,000 by the time Tesla pushed up, invested in Tesla, and because it pushed up so much, I wanted to do my part in locking in profits. Do you think that's a bad idea? Or would you have done something similar where you locked in a portion of your position and then just in case it pulls back, you have enough cash buying power where you can buy a little bit more and then ride it back up if it continues to uptrend? So let me know down in the comment section. Again, I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you guys want to join our free Facebook group, that's that first link down below. I'd love to invite you to our live trading session tomorrow at Market Open. And if you want to tune on in and learn a little bit more about it, click the second link down below and we'll see you then. Until then, like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.